Too much. Thank you very much. Somebody will translate me or? Huh?
We would like you to translate.
The song is written by a relation of ours. He was a convert to Christianity but a realized soul, and he could never cope with the system of conversion and also the way the Hindus were treated among themselves with the caste system and all that. And he's written very good, some of the very good hymns, I should say. This is one of the hymns. The song is something I really always used to sing in my childhood very much. And the theme of the song is like this. The one who has got God, or the one who has owned the God, why should he have any fear? The one who moves about, or the one who goes about, I don't know what is the English word for extensive traveling, the one who moves about extensively for the sake of God and for doing good to others. But he does not belong to this world. Such a person has no fear. He stands above. The language, Marathi language, you see, is a very intense language, I should say, and it touches many corners when you say one word to it. It's like this one is Adi Vyadhi Maranavarati Paya Sha Purushachari. It means a person of this caliber is standing above. His foot is above the sickness, the mental problems, and the death itself. But when you say that such a person has the foot on top of this, means also, his meaning is that with the effect of its foot, it can get over it. It's a double language, you see. Like such a person has its foot on top of all these three things, is the sickness, the mental problems, and the death. The foot is on top of that. It means that such a person is above this. Plus, if you have somebody of this caliber and the foot touches the sick or the mentally disturbed people or the dead, such a person can raise them higher, can take them out of it. It has a double meaning. So, the whole theme works out this way, that a person who belongs to God, who owns the God, should not have fear, should not get frustrated. I needed it very much today. Because one side, of course, is the joy of seeing so many Sahajogis, real Sahajogis, not artificial disciples or dramatists, but real Sahajogis of very high caliber. And some of the people who stand on the periphery have been on periphery for such a long time. That's, sometimes it's dangerous for me to see they will be destroyed. At this time you need a song like this. And in childhood, whenever I felt really desperate, I used to sing this song. It's a very touching song. All right? But word by word I could not, I'm not in a sort of a proper mood, I think. So it's touched me very much. This is Uttam Pranya. I wanted it very much today.